Well, Bill, we saw a lot of rain last night with more on the way.
A lot. And this weather pattern, Isis, as you know, is going to continue to extend the weather impact alerts. We're now almost going through the rest of this month as rain chances are not expected to let up and this pattern stays in place. But yeah, let's talk about night one for a moment. Let me start with the local storm reports. What you're going to look at here are ovals representing damaging wind speeds as well as flood reports. Now, the flood reports were mainly on the top of your screen closer to Austin. Then when you get into those blue ovals, and that's the most numerous you'll see out here. Largely taking up most of the screen is going to be the wind speeds with the thunderstorms. And if you start on the left side of your screen, look at Del Rio, see those little dots inside the blue oval? That's going to be hail, which near Del Rio, almost 2 inches in diameter. That was the largest hailstone. Most of the hail was pea size in most cases. Now the winds, look at that 64-mile-per-hour gust near Kerrville, and then northern Bexar County at about midnight, 60-mile-per-hour gust. We had northern San Antonio under a severe thunderstorm warning around midnight last night. Healthy deposits down to the south and east. That's going to be Wilson and Karnes County, 3.5 to 4 inches, 1.5 inches near Kerrville as well as Canyon Lake. And then in the city and metro, we had nearly 2.5 at Medina Lake as well as up at Timberwood Park, 1.5 inches Leon Valley, nearly 4 St. Hedwig. Really good rains. And again, more on the way. Even though we cleared out and we had some sunshine today, this is still a very ramped up, juiced up atmosphere with plenty of moisture. It's 83 and it feels like 85. That heat index is about 10 degrees less than it was yesterday. We were up to 98 on a heat index yesterday. All right, so we're going to stay cloudy throughout most of the evening and dry. In fact, it's not until midnight. That's going to be the earliest that we get any showers. And then the thunderstorms are expected a little bit closer to Thursday morning than necessarily Wednesday night. It'll definitely be after midnight. But as I mentioned, the dew points are still very high, and so we have plenty of fuel. And look at the storms last night developed right along the front. Now, the front is stationary to our north, and it could act as a focus for a few storms later tonight, but we're not expecting too much. It's a very, very weak front. The real setup is this huge trough that's out across the west coast. That's what's pumping in this southwest flow aloft. And embedded in this flow are these small short waves. They're little disturbances that kick off these showers and thunderstorms. And about 8 o'clock, maybe 8:30, Rock Springs, Del Rio could see some good downpours that rain themselves out. And then we start getting some showers maybe about 1 in the morning. And then watch as things really increase as we get closer to sunrise Thursday. Big thunderstorms from Hondo up through the hill country and then pushing through the city, I would say between 6 and 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then again, that's day 2. Look at how many more days are in the forecast. They're all red. I mean, Friday, about a 30% chance, but by Friday night, 50-50, 80% on Saturday. Most of the cases, we're seeing the timing is late night, early morning. Now, the extension, Tuesday the 26th, Wednesday the 27th, and now Thursday the 28th are all weather impact alert days. We might even have to add them into the final weekend of May. One thing's for sure, we're going to probably end this month with about 6 inches in the gauge.